Okay, let's get started. Let's hit Sphero Education icon. And you'll notice that on the right we have a home screen. We have an activity screen, which includes the workbook. That's where all your work will go for every app that you open up within Sphero Education. Here is just some Sphero courses or tutorials. This is things community people have uploaded. And this is CS Foundations, which is some STEAM courses or tutorials. So we want to go back into Home, and you see where it says Getting Started. Now, if you look to the upper right-hand corner, there's a little Sphero with a rectangle beside it. If we touch that, it tells us which Mini Spheros or which Spheros are available. Now, what you need to do is tap the robot to the iPad, and then click the bar, and it'll say connecting to Mini Sphero or Sphero Mini, and then it'll tell you when it's connected, which it has, mine has. So then the next thing I want to do is, where I'm still on this home screen, I want to hit Introduction to Sphero Education. Now it's loading. Now it'll give me how far along I am, which Spheros are compatible, and it'll give me a description of my learning objectives, and it tells me about how long it will take me to complete this activity. It's saying up to 1 hour, but in truth it can be up to 2 hours depending on how long you experiment with each stage. So if I hit continue, it shows me 6 lessons. So what I want you to do is go through all 6 lessons, but I don't want you to take more than 2 hours because you have other activities to do today. And you can always come back this weekend and play with it for as long as you like. So the first activity is exploration, and of course you'll read it, mark it as complete, and so you can mark them as complete or not. And then you'll go to number 2, which is it offers 3 different canvases, how to draw, how to block, and how to text. So you'll go through that and mark it as complete, so forth and so on. Now with regards to if you try to connect and your robot's not working, well, the first thing when you use your Sphero, you need to make sure it's charged. So what I normally do is I will take the Sphero out of the case, that outer casing, I'll pop it off, I'll put the USB cord in the Sphero, and I will charge the USB. And if it's blinking blue, that tells me it's needing to be charged. If it's green, that tells me it's charged and it's good to go. Well, enjoy your Sphero, and we will see you this afternoon.